Welcome back to Total Students Training Tutorial for faculty members. In this video, we will show you how to manage an organization that you are a Level 3 permission alias for as an advisor or coach. So let's dive in. As a Level 3 permission level alias, you'll have access to edit, view, and manage all things within an organization. Let's first start off by creating a new announcement. First, click on the Announcements tab and click Create New Announcement. Select your priority of your announcement, type in a title, the content of your announcement, and a link if needed. You can select who to send the announcement to by selecting Is Public, which will send the announcement to the entire school, or you could send it to specific members within an organization. Click on the members, select Add, and then click Save to send your announcement. Now let's create a new school event. To create a new school event, you must first create an event category, a location category, and a location. To do that, go to School Event Categories, select Create New Event Category, and type in the name of your event category. We suggest using the name of your organization. Now, make a location category under Verification and Location Categories. Again, we suggest using the name of your organization. Click Save. Now you can create a location for your school events. Go to Locations, Create New Location, and choose the location category, which we just created. Next, select a name for your new location. You can use the Location Helper tool to find the location. You can move the circumference around and narrow it down to a more specific location. We suggest using a radius of at least 25 meters. Click Save and your location has been made. Now you can create a new school event for your organization. Go back to your organization, click on School Events, and create a new school event. Select your event category, name your event, select a point value, which can be anywhere from 0 to 10 points. If you select Is Volunteer, your event will be a volunteer event for students. When students check in, the event will be logged for their volunteer hours. You can select a location, pick a start and end time, and complete additional details if needed. Again, select who you would like your event to be made public to. If you select Is Public, it will be sent and available to the entire school. You can send it to specific members if you wish by selecting the members, adding them, and clicking Save. Now your event is made. To edit an organization, click on Actions, then Edit. You can edit any of the details that we just made. Once you've made changes, click Save. To view an event, click on the Actions tab again and View. This will show you the event details as well as the QR code where you can have students scan to check in. You can also see the attendance log of all the students who checked into this specific event. You can manually check a student into an event if their phone dies and they're unable to check in by clicking Create New Attendance Log, selecting the user, their check-in time, and by hitting Save. Now let's dive into the permission level aliases within your organization. There are 3 permission levels for every organization: Level 3, Level 2, and Level 1. Level 3 permission aliases have full access to organizations, being able to edit and view any of these tabs. Level 2 permission aliases have the rights to create announcements and new events, but they do not have access to edit or add any new members to the organization. Level 1 permission aliases have the rights to view announcements and school events, but they may not edit any of the other information. To create a new permission level alias, click Create New Permission Level Alias. Type in the name for your permission level alias and select your permission level. Hit Save, and your permission level will be created. Permission level aliases are very important because they are tracked on the student transcript. For example, if you run an organization and have a student board, each of those members should be a level 2 permission level with a name saying officer or board member. That way their leadership roles can be tracked. Let's move on to memberships. This page will show you all of the existing memberships within your organization. You can change memberships by clicking on the Actions button, viewing, editing, or deleting members. By editing a membership, you can change their permission level alias. You can add a new member manually by clicking Create New Membership, searching for the user, and selecting their permission level. Lastly is the memberships request page. This page shows you all of the requests to join your organization. As you can see, we already have 2 requests that have been accepted and there's 1 pending. This is how students can request to join your organization and you can accept them in. For example, John Smith has a pending request, so let's accept him into the organization. Click on the Actions button and then View. You can then see when he requested, and you can accept his request as a certain permission level alias. You can then hit
click
Accept,
or
Reject. Now you know how to manage everything within your organization. Thank you for watching this tutorial video.